We're doing a fun project called Calling in Our Corals to help scientists save coral reefs. We listen to sounds from the ocean and find fish sounds. This helps scientists know how healthy the reefs are and stop bad fishing. First, we open the experiment on Google. Then, we start by watching a video about reefs.
Hi, welcome. My name's Steve. I'm a marine biologist from the University of Bristol in the UK. My whole research group have discovered that when we listen to the sounds of the reef, we hear biodiversity, animals that live deep inside the reef, but there are too many recordings for one person to sit down and listen to. And that's where you come. So what does a reef really sound like? If you're lucky, you might hear the song of a humpback whale in the distance. Here's a spectrogram of that song. You can see in the picture the notes that the whale is singing.
Then we start by watching a video about reefs. I skipped it because I already watched it. After the video, we practice by listening to some sounds and guessing what they are.
For the first part of this project,
your data will... So let's have a look at exactly what you need to listen out for. So let's start the experiment. So what you're seeing here is a visual representation of what you're hearing. It's called a spectrogram. So in the higher frequencies you can see here, it's the snapping shrimps, the kind of sizzling sound. And you can see down here in the low frequency range, that's the fish sounds. So the louder it is, the more pink it is. And if it's quieter, then it's blue. So this is where you want to be looking out for your fish sounds.
Next, we watch another video to learn how to tell if a reef is healthy or not. Then we start the experiment. We pick a place and listen to ocean sounds. If we hear a fish, we click, "I heard something." If we don't hear anything, we don't click. A spectrogram is like a picture of sound that helps us see the sounds we hear. By doing this, we help the computer learn to listen to the reefs too.
thanks for contributing to this project. What you've done is not...